Hi, this is Zoe from CarePatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through how to use the TIPP-DBT worksheets. In dialectical behavior therapy, the TIPP skill is a distress tolerance technique specifically developed to aid individuals in managing intense emotions and distressing situations. TIPP is an acronym that stands for the following techniques. Temperature tip. Use cold water or ice to divert attention from emotional distress by submerging your face or holding an ice cube. Activate the body's dive reflex to reduce intense emotions. Intense exercise. Release pent-up emotions and adrenaline through short bursts of intense physical activity. Try jumping jacks or running in place to shift focus from distressing thoughts. Paced breathing. Regulate the body's stress response with slow, deep breaths. Direct focus on breath and slow its pace to activate the relaxation response and promote emotional calmness. Paired muscle relaxation. Intentionally tense and relax muscle groups to release physical tension and achieve overall relaxation. This worksheet provides detailed instructions on executing each of the TIPP skills, along with a designated space for recording notes and reflections on the effectiveness of the skills in managing distress. To use our free TIPP-DBT worksheet, follow these steps. Download our TIPP-DBT worksheet from the CarePatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Educate your client about each TIPP skill and help them understand its importance for emotional regulation. Walk your client through each step of the worksheet, filling in details as you go along. Ask questions to help them identify potential triggers and learn strategies to better manage their intense emotions. Once your client has finished filling out the TIPP-DBT worksheet, review it together. Discuss any potential strategies or actions they can take to manage their intense emotions when faced with a trigger. Here is a sample of our TIPP-DBT worksheet, which you can find on our CarePatron platform. To find our TIPP-DBT worksheet, go to our CarePatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at CarePatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our CarePatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.